Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 4.4, that is construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral TRUE. It is given TR as 3.5 cm, RU is 3 cm, UE is 4 cm, angle R 75 degree, angle U 120 degree. This is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. This is 120. Wait, for that, let us take a ruler. Let's take a ruler and draw a line of 3 centimeter. Draw a line of 3 centimeter. This is exactly 3 centimeter, right? And the name of this line is RU. This is RU. The name of this line is RU. R, and this is U. And the length is 3.3 centimeter. Length is 3 centimeter. Length is 3 centimeter. Length is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. At point R, make an angle of 75 degree. At point R, with the help of protractor, let us take a protractor and place the protractor at the right place, proper place, and make an angle of 75 degree. This is 60, 20, 40, 60, 70. This is 75. This angle is 75 degree. Here it is 75. Right? Now make the angle with the help of the ruler. Take this ruler. Make this angle of 75 degree at the point R. Right? Make an angle of 75 degree. At point R, right? Here we make an angle of 75 degree. This is 75 degree. 75 degree. At point U, make an angle of 110 degree with the help of protractor. Let us take the protractor again, and with the help of this protractor, make an angle of 120 degree at point U. Place the protractor at the right place and make the angle of 120 degree. This is 90, 100, 110, 120. This point, right? 120 degree. Now, with the help of this ruler, make this 120 degree angle. This is 120 degree at point U. Right? Now make an angle of 120 degree at point U. Therefore, this is 120 degree. This angle is 120 degree. 120 degree. Now taking point R, take an arc of 3.5 centimeter to find the point T. Right? With the help of this ruler and compass. This is our ruler. Take an arc of 3.5 centimeter with the help of compass. This is our compass. Take this pointer at point 0. This is exactly 0. And take an arc of 3.5 centimeter. Take an arc of 3.5. You see, this is 3.5 centimeter. Exactly 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, take this pointer at point R and make an arc here. Take this pointer at this point R and cut an arc of 3.5 centimeter. See, this is 3.5 centimeter, and you got the point that is T. Got the point that is T point. This point is T, and the length is 3.5 centimeter. Length of this TR is 3.5 centimeter. The length of this is 3.5 centimeter. This is 3.5. This is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Now, take this point U and take a arc of 4 centimeter. Once again, you put this pointer at 0. We put this pointer at 0 position and make an arc of 4 centimeter. Make an arc of 4 centimeter. Let us take 4 centimeter. Here you see, this is exactly 4. Therefore, this pointer, taking the pointer at point U, make an arc of 4 centimeter here. Take this pointer at point U and make an arc of 4 centimeter. Right? This is 4 centimeter, and the point is, this point is E point. This point is E, and this is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Now join T with E with the help of this ruler. With the help of this ruler, join T with E. Join T with E. This is our required quadrilateral, right? That is TRUE. Let us again repeat once again. First of all, draw RU 3 centimeter. At point R, make an angle of 75 degree. At point U, make an angle of 120 degree with the help of protractor. And from R, take an arc of 3.5 centimeter. And from point U, take an arc of 4 centimeter. And this is T point, this is E point. Join TE and we get the required quadrilateral TRUE. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.